Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I am SUMA BABU. It's already been a month since I started this YouTube channel. I'm learning something new every day and I'm considering this as a very happy phase in my life. I'm reasserting every day that I can do it and I'm doing it with all of your support. Thank you all once again for that. Well, thought of sharing something new today, some gardening tips. If you scroll through Instagram and Pinterest, you will see beautiful interiors covered in leafy vines, hanging pots, and trees had liven up every corner of a room. Studies have shown that indoor plants boost your mood, productivity, concentration, and creativity. It cleans indoor air by removing toxins, producing oxygen, and increasing humidity. So, let's get started. A money plant is one of the most common household plant. It is a low maintenance fuss free plant, but that doesn't mean it does not require any care at all. A minimal care guide is required for a healthy and prosperous money plant. Money plants can be built both indoors and outdoors. This can grow in a wide range of climatic conditions also. There are different types of money plants. I have few of them. This one is golden pothos. This one jade pothos. Then I got marble pothos. And the fourth one which I have is enjoy pothos. You have to decide where you want to grow this plant, that is in soil or in water. It has no problem in sustaining both in soil and in water. The money plants growing in water would have softer leaves as compared to the ones growing in soil. For growing pothos in soil, we have to prepare potting soil. For that we need 1 portion of garden soil, half portion of cocoa peat and half portion of any compost. This is the proportion of potting mix I normally use for my plants. Make sure the soil mix we prepare should be able to hold the moisture for a long time. It should be fast draining and it should be rich in required nutrients. Now fill the potting mix in a pot. Select a healthy money plant. Cut it just below any node. A node is a distinct visible joint on the vine from where the leaves emerge. Now separate all the big and the healthy leaves by cutting just like this. All of these leaves will grow as a separate plant. So adjust these leaves how you want it. Generally, the plant will only need watering when the soil feels dry to the touch. Now let's see how to grow the money plant vine in water. Select a healthy vine. The cutting should have minimum 2-3 knots on it. You can have as many leaves as you want. Take off the leaves which touches the water. Put the cutting in a bottle or a jar filled with water. You must keep at least 1 knot below the water level for proper growth. Try to take clean and clear water. You can see this outgrowth from the node. These will grow into roots after 1 or 2 weeks. Place this jar where the plant gets indirect sunlight. Keep changing water once in every week. If you want, you can add few drops of nitrate-based liquid fertilizer into it. It's totally optional. Do remove the yellow or decaying leaves if any. Make sure you trim it and keep its growth controlled as per requirement. Then you can trim the roots if needed. So these are my little tips on growing money plants. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, comment in the description box. Soon I'll be back with yet another new video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.